You'd be surprised how often people ask me, Scott, how do I change my old name in Brawl Stars? Like it's a government form or a soul-searching journey. But it's pretty simple, mostly if you know where to look in the game menus. Most folks whip out their phone, open Brawl Stars, stare at their old name from 2019, and immediately cringe. That name you picked as a joke, Banana Pants 47 or XX Sniper God X, is following you around like a persistent stray cat. No judgment. Let's cut right to it. Open up Brawl Stars and tap on your player icon in the top left corner of the main screen. It's almost always in that spot, like a stubborn stain on your favorite shirt you can't ignore. Once you tap your player icon, it opens a profile page. This is your digital driver's license for all of Brawl Stars, showing off your trophies, stats, and most importantly, your horrible, ancient name. It's both pride and embarrassment, depending who's watching. Here's where new players get stuck. There's a tiny pencil icon next to your username. Every week, I get messages saying, Scott, I can't find the button. Look for that pencil. It's about as subtle as a Portland rain cloud, easy to miss unless you know where to look. Click that pencil and you'll get a warning message. Brawl Stars is serious about name changes. The first one's free, but after that, it'll cost you gems, 60 of them to be exact. Think of it as a fee for escaping your embarrassing past. Pro tip, gems are earned slowly, and buying 60 gems costs about $5. If you want to change your name often, that'll add up fast. So try to pick a name you can live with for at least a year, speaking from personal regret here. Before you type in your new name, Brawl Stars makes you double confirm and check if someone else is already using it. No, you can't be Poco Legend unless you're the first person worldwide to snag it. Don't take it personally. Type in the name you want, make sure it's not offensive or against Brawl Stars rules. Seriously, they'll block you, and then hit confirm. You'll be bombarded with warnings, but if you're sure, accept. Bam! Your new name is live. Now, here's a stat. Roughly 40% of new Brawl Stars users change their name within the first month, and about 80% regret their original. That's thousands of users per day, living with old decisions. Naming matters more than anyone realizes. If you've already used your free change and don't want to pay, there's no sneaky workaround. You have to wait, save up gems, or get very comfortable being XX Noobmaster or 97XX. Painful, but waiting teaches patience and good naming strategy. For parents, if your kid picked something you wish they could undo, the process above applies to them too. Just be ready to have the "why did you choose that name" discussion at your dinner table. Always fun. Take a minute before hitting confirm. The right name is a little like the right tattoo. You want it to hold up for years and ideally not be the butt of every in-game joke. But if not, at least you know how to fix it.